Hello, boys and girls. We are ready for sort 24 of our new spelling list. And in this sort, we are going to be focusing on the letter A and listening if it is short or it is long in the first syllable or the second syllable of the word. So you are going to need 4 colors for sort 24. There will be one oddball hiding in this list. So the first category that we are going to look at is this one here that says first AR. In the first syllable, the R sound, like garden. That AR sound here, gar. I think it's a short sound as well. It's not garden. It is going to be gar, that sound. So there's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8 words that also fit in this category that have that R sound in the first syllable. So the first word you're going to find is the word market, market, market. That AR sound in the first syllable for market. And the word underneath of that is going to be carpet, carpet, carpet. The R sound in the first syllable, carpet. The next word under that is going to be the word harvest, harvest, harvest in the first syllable. It has that AR sound, harvest in the first syllable, R sound. The next word we have is marble, marble. You might use a marble when you play a game, marble. The next word under that is hardly. You hardly see your friends now because of the situation that we're in with recess and lunch. Hardly, hardly, hardly. That AR is in the first half of the word, first syllable. The next word we have is partner, 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 partner. We've been able to do some partner work this year, but not much. The R sound, partner. 2 more. We have the word pardon, pardon. If you pardon someone, you might say, excuse me, pardon, that AR sound. And our last word for this category is the word barber, barber, barber. Usually you can get a haircut at the barber shop, barber. The next category that we have, and we're going to pick a new color for this, I'm going to go blue, is the first syllable with a long A sound. So in the word, you should hear A in the first half of the word. Long A sound. So the example they give us is airplane. I hear that A. Airplane. 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 You hear that A. There's 2, 4, 6, 7 words. So the first word that has the long A sound in it in the beginning is the word parents. Parents. So my A is over here. And that is going to be in my blue category. Parents. Our next word is going to be haircut. A, long A. Haircut. Haircut. Air, it's that air sound. Airplane. Parents. Haircut. The word under that, we have dairy. Again, that air sound. Dairy. Dairy. That long A. Dairy. So we hear that air sound. Airplane. Parents. Haircut. Dairy. Carry. Carry is that next one. Carry. 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 The next word we have is careful, careful. That air sound, long A, care. Careful in the first half of the word. We also have the word barely, barely. That air sound, barely, barely in the first half. And our last word, fairy, 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 fairy. That air sound in the first half, long A. And that's it for my blue category. The last one, before our oddball, maybe I will do green, is going to be that A sound, air, in the second half of the word. So the header example that they give us is compare, compare, compare. That air sound in the second half of the word. So we have aware, aware. That A sound in the second half, aware. That second half of the word. Despair, despair, despair. If you're in despair, you're feeling very desperate, worried, upset. Despair. We have repair, repair, repair in that second half. We have declare. If you declare you're the winner, declare. That's in the second half, that air sound, long A, in the second half. And the last word we have is beware. Beware. Beware of the dog. Beware. Beware. That's in the second half, which means the last word left is our oddball, toward. Please walk toward me. Please walk toward the roller coaster. That A does not really follow any pattern. It's not a long A sound. It doesn't have the air sound or the R sound. So I'm going to make that purple. So that is going to be your sort for sort 24. My pink words are the words that have the R sound in the first half of the word. My blue list is the air long A sound in the first half, and my green list is my air sound in the second syllable. So your test is going to look like it normally does with your 15 words, and you are going to have 4 categories to sort. So right now, double check your list, make sure that you highlighted them the correct colors, and start to cut your words. You can start to sort them as your first activity for spelling. Be sure to pick up your packet, and I will see you next week on Friday for your test. Good luck.